Hey guys, what's up and welcome. It's Matthew here, the designer and developer from South Africa. Let's continue with our React hook form series. As you can see, we have managed to validate using React hook form. And in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to integrate or we are going to add schema validation, and that is YAP and ZOD. Now let's get into the code. Before we get there, there is something that I demonstrated earlier in the series, which was re-renderings. Okay, which was re-rendering. Let me just show you here. Let's see. Let's start from scratch and see. Okay. So what you do if you've got React developer tools, this is possible because of React developer tools. You just come here, you make sure highlight update when component render. Okay, you make sure this is on. Okay, so we did it with a normal form. Okay, and it was some sort of re-rendering or rendering every time in every keystroke. Let me put it that way. For instance, let's check here on this border. Okay, on this border there will be a blue border here that indicates that the component is rendering. Okay, and we said that's not efficient, so it implies that with React hook form, suppose there are minimal re-renders. Okay, so let's type. Okay, A, did you see the component as re-rendered? D, it doesn't re-render. F, it doesn't re-render. G, as you can see, guys. And then I think on H, it re-rendered, but it doesn't re-render every time. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't render every time. But when we are not using React hook form, when we are using the state, it re-renders. So let's check here again. 1, 2, and that's it. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't re-render. I think this is some sort of a new way of creating things, and also it will help your application to be performant. Okay, it's like the performance has been embedded in the package itself, so you just get it by default. Okay, so let's jump straight to the code and do the magic. So let's quickly check the documentation. Okay, and schema validation. Okay, as you can see, it looks like it support more than yep, zod, and there is also this one superstruct or something like that, and also there is joy. Okay, my apologies about that. So I'm going to try these two. Okay, I'm hoping you might try these ones for yourself. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do, we need to install this package. Okay, which is hook form resolvers. Okay, this will enable us to integrate other validation schemas. Okay, let's copy this and go to our code. My apologies about that. Okay, so here let me do this. Okay, and then I'm going to install the resolvers first. Okay, let's see. Okay, and then from there I need to let's see. I think after that I need to install yap as well. So if I copied this, I think I did that also. Okay, because when I was copying this, I was under the assumption that I'm copying this only. Okay, so now I see it looks like I have killed two birds with one stone, even without being aware of it. Okay, so let's just quickly check and confirm. Did I did that? Let's see. Okay, let me check my previous command. Okay, it was install hook form and yep. Okay, so what we are going to do now, let's go back to the documentation. Okay, let's go back to the documentation. As you can see, we are done with this one. Let's just copy these two lines. Okay, these two lines of code, these ones. Okay, I just want to be sure that yap has been installed as well. So let's just copy those two lines and paste them in our code. Go up and let's paste them here and see. Okay, Okay, it looks like we have imported everything, as you can see. Okay, so let's see what we can do from here. To be honest, guys, here there is nothing much that needs explanation. Okay, it's not complicated. This is the easiest part of what can I say, of this. Okay, of this is like the easiest. It's very, very, very easy. Okay, so obviously we need to what can I say? We need to validate based on our own schema. Okay, not a problem. So let's go back here and see. Okay, so we've got yep here. So we need to create a schema for the form. Okay, where is the function starting? Let's see, let's see. Okay, where is it? Okay, my function starts here. Okay, user form, it starts here. So here I can type const. Okay, let's say do I need to really specify? Yeah, let me just, for now, let me just say const yap schema. Okay, yap schema is equal to, let's get yap. Okay, yap dot object. Okay, yap dot object. Okay, let's open this and let's pass an object there, and let's start. Username, sorry. Okay, inside here, let's type username. Username, and it's an object, and the value of it's going to be let's see, the value of it. Let's try yap dot let's try string and see. Okay, yap dot string, and then let's execute this as a function. As you can see, guys, okay, so here we are saying this must be a string. Okay, now let's try the fiddling way. Okay, let's just click dot here and see what else is there. Do we have required? Yes. Okay, we have required there. I think in this required we can pass a message. Okay, now what I'm going to do, in order for us to notice the changes, I'm just going to type yap validated username. Okay, okay, username. Okay, let me just do it like this. So as you can see, guys, this is how easy the validation is with yap. And then as you can see, what we need to do, we just need to copy and paste this. Apologies about that. Let's copy and paste this. And then to make sure that we don't have typos, let's just copy and paste this. Okay, instead of username, we are going to type here email. Okay, we're just going to type email. In terms of this username here, we're just going to change it to password. Okay, let's see what is the issue here. Okay, I need a comma here. Okay, guys, as you can see now, we've got what can I say, we've got a yap schema. Okay, so what we need to do on our form, where is our form, where we are creating it with use form? Okay, here is it. So meaning that, okay, let's try to move the schema up a little bit. Okay, let's try to move a schema up a little bit. In our form here, what we need to do, we need to open my apologies about that, we need to put an object as a dependency there. Okay, as a dependency, and here we can type resolvers. Let's see, do we have that? Yes. Okay, yes, we have that. And then this schema, we cannot just pass it straight here. Okay, we cannot pass it straight here. Remember, we installed where is that one? Yes, let's see. We installed these resolvers. Okay, these resolvers. Okay, this one, and then we've got this yap resolver. Okay, which is we can, let's say, wrap this with that YAP resolver. Okay, with that YAP resolver, and then we can pass the schema. Okay, is this resolver or resolvers? Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, this one I was using the fiddling aspect of it. Okay, let's just do it again. Resolver, yes, resolver looks like it's supposed to work. And then I want this, which is YAP resolver. Let's see what's the typo. Type resolver, okay, is not assignable to resolver form shape any, and values are incompatible. Let's see what might be the problem. Are all these exactly like those? Yes, I'm happy with that. Okay, and then this resolver, I am passing a YAP resolver, and I'm passing the schema. Okay, let's just quickly reference the documentation a little bit, very quick. Let's see. Okay, this is a resolver, and we are using a YAP resolver, and we are passing the schema. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like TypeScript is complaining. Okay, let's say I copy that, but I don't think that will be more of an issue. I really don't think so. Okay, okay, now it looks like it's working, but okay, let's see. But let's check. Okay, here we are having some type issues. Okay, it seems like to me. Okay, let's say user form. Let's see. What is this? Okay, let's see. Const in user form. Okay, type. Okay, let's see what's going on here. My own module start from here. I'm happy with that. This is a type that I'm declaring. I'm happy with this. And then the type is form shape. Okay, and then I've got a YAP schema, which is this one. Or maybe let me try something, guys. The fiddling approach. Maybe there is an object. Nope. There is no object dot shape here. Okay, nothing like that. Let's just quickly check in the documentation in case we might have missed something. Let's say how they define the schema. It's YAP dot object, and inside there you pass your own thing, and then YAP dot string dot require as you wish, and that's about it. Let's see. Okay, guys, let's just copy this in case maybe we might have made a mistake. Okay, my apologies about that. Let's just copy this. Let's paste it here. Okay, you never know with coding. You never know. Okay, let's see. Let's put it like this. Okay, and then this is our own way. Okay, I've got this here. Okay, and it looks like with them they are ending with required in the end. I really sorry, I really don't think it's necessary. I don't think the required is necessary. It's something that it's necessary. It won't make any difference. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think here we need to apply our own brains and see what we can do. Okay, let's stick to our own guns. Let's see. Okay, I'm passing a resolver, and this resolver, what type of shape as this one? We've got the username, email, and the password. Okay, this is a YAP dot object, username, email, and password. Okay, Cool, not a problem. I can see we've got some two things here. Okay. This was this one. And then let's check. What about this one? The one that we've copied there. Okay. First name and last name. I think it's almost like the same thing. Okay. Let's see. This is a TypeScript error, guys. Let's see. Resolver. Username string, email string, password string is not assignable to type. Resolver form shape. Okay. The form shape. Okay, I think this is a small error. Okay, type of parameters, values, and values are incompatible. Type form shape is not assignable to this. Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, let's see. This is interesting. Let's see. Ba, 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 bum. This is the resolver shape that you are looking for, which is this one. Okay. If I could replace this with form shape, okay, and type resolver form shape. Okay, let's see. This has got also any, but I don't think that's matters. Okay, so it looks like to me this is the same as form shape. Okay, this is the same as form shape. If you look at form shape, it's exactly the same thing. Okay, it's exactly the same thing. Let me try this, guys. Okay, let me try this without putting this form shape here. Let me go to my form. Instead of putting form shape, let me put this as is. Obviously, as you can see, it's not supposed to make any difference. Okay, there is no difference. So resolver, let's see what is the problem. Okay, cool. What we can do here, let me copy this. Let me copy this. Let me copy this and let me try ChatGPT and see what this guy will tell us about this. Let's try and see what this guy will tell about. This guy is it's very smart. Okay. This guy can give us clues as to what might be the problem. Okay. Okay. Looks like we have made some mistake. Okay. The error you are encountering seems to be due to type mismatch in TypeScript. The key issue here is that you have email string, which is a capital letter, in one place and email string in another. In TypeScript, string with an uppercase S refer to. Okay, interesting, guys. I didn't notice that. Okay. Okay, let's see. To fix this, you should ensure both places you use the primitive small letter string. Okay, interesting. Let's go back and check on the code. It's my first time to encounter that error, and it looks like I have learned something. Okay, as you can see, guys, I have been careless here. And that is it. Okay. And that is it. My apologies for that. This is my own mistake. Let's go back to the essence and the core fundamental of this channel. This is what I believe. Errors will teach you what you need to know now. Okay. Copy and paste and following, it's quite good and it can take you there. Okay, but the errors will give you a lot of knowledge, specific knowledge about what you are facing now. As you can see, guys, I just made a mistake of a capital letter here. Okay, here. Okay, as a result, when I'm validating with the app, as you can see, everything it's small letters. Okay, I'm happy with this. I hope you have learned something thanks to ChatGPT. I use it a lot. Okay, let's continue, guys. Let's keep it going and keep it flowing like water. Okay, so now that we are done with this and we also got the resolver, it means that now there are two validation mechanism. Okay, I like to test things. I like to test things. Maybe it's so playful of me, but I don't know. I like to test things. Now that we've got two validation, which one is going to show up on my form? I'm just testing, guys. Okay, I will learn something. Yep, validated the user. Yep, validated the user. So that means the one that we have, the one that we didn't even delete, which is where is it? This one. It's not being used, okay, as you can see. So that means we can delete this one, okay, as you can see, guys. Okay, let's go back, or let's go down here. Also, we remove this, okay. Okay, let's go down and we remove this, okay. Okay, as you can see, guys, so it looks like we have managed to validate using yep. Okay, let's go back here and check. Okay, as you can see, guys. Okay, as you can see, let's type anything and let's type anything. Let's see. Okay, this is not a valid email. Okay, and this is a valid email. And then let's go to the console. As you can see, guys, okay, everything went well. Okay, so I hope you are learning something, guys. Now we are going to continue and use Zod. Okay, I am using Zod in my case, okay, in what I do, or in my own code, rather. So let's try Zod. And I've tried. Yep, obviously you can use it, but I think I have struggled with what can I say? Let me just show you in the code. Okay, I've got the schema. Okay, I've got the schema. Where is schema? I've got the yep schema, and at the same time I've got a form shape. Okay, in order for you to be able to use the schema and extract the shape from the schema, it looks like on Yap you have to install another package or something, but with Zod we will eliminate this one. Okay, remember the mistake that I did? I think also check here. Okay, these are the small mistake. Remember the mistake that I did, okay, with these capital letters and everything. With Zod, we are going to eliminate this one, so there won't be a case whereby I type this, because this is not going to be here. We are going to create this form shape from our own schema. Okay, so I think that what has moved me to Zod, and also most companies and most developers, they are using Zod. Okay, so I decided to go with that one. So what we can do here, let's just check what the documentation recommends before we install Zod. Let's see, is there a place where they are showing this one? It's yep. Okay, let me click it. Sorry. Okay, here it's taking us to their documentation. Okay, this is number one. React Native, not really. TypeScript, is this still Zod? Design philosophy, nothing with Zod. Okay, cool. Let's just do it our own way, or just do it anyway. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to install Zod here. So let me just I'm not sure what's going on here. Let me delete everything and let me just type clear, the command clear, so that I can clear everything. npmi Zod. Okay, okay, I'm installing Zod here. Okay, and then let me import Z from Zod. Okay, okay, import. Let's see, do we need to say all? Okay, I don't think we have to import Z. And I think it's a named export, so I need to put this here from Zod. From Zod. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, guys, we've got Z from Zod. Maybe some people will pronounce this alphabet as Z. Okay, how do I know that? Okay, if I'm based in South Africa. Okay, I grew up watching Dragon Ball Z. Okay, so I think that's where I started to notice that some other people, they are pronouncing this as Z, not Z. Okay, it was a very interesting cartoon show, if that's what it's called, more especially the Freezer saga. I hope you relate. If you relate to that, okay, please shoot a comment below. It was very interesting, well written and well executed cartoon. It felt like you were watching a movie. Okay, enough about Dragon Ball Z. Now we are on Z for Zod. Okay, let's see. Now what I want to do, let me create a Zod. Okay, let me create a Zod schema. Const Zod schema. Okay, const Zod schema is equal to Z dot, I think it's the same dot object. Okay, these packages are almost the same. Okay, and then we're just going to do the same thing. Okay, just to make sure there are no typos. Let me just copy this as it is, and then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change this, my apologies, to Z dot string. Okay, I don't think Zod has required, I don't think so, but let's try, guys. Okay, as you can see, I don't think it has required. I think instead it has got dot min of 1. Okay, and then you can put your message here. Let me type Zod validated. Okay, and then we are going to copy and paste this. Okay, for more ways to validate like numbers, integers, please guys, you can check the Zod documentation for that. Okay, so here I'm just keeping it light and I'm showing you the basics. Okay, so what else we can try here? Let's just add an email. Okay, I think Zod has got a dot email validation. Yes, it has. Okay, as you can see. Okay, and then let me paste also the password here. Okay, as you can see, guys, so we've just created a Zod schema. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm going to copy and paste this Zod schema, go to our resolver. Okay, okay, let me try. Maybe the Zod schema is already there. Let's type here Zod, sorry, Zod resolver. Okay, the Zod resolver is already here. Zod resolver, here is it, guys. Okay, it's being supplied by the resolvers. Okay, and then we are going to pass Zod here, as you can see. Now let's check, guys, which schema is validating. Let's go back here. I hope you are learning something, guys. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. By the way, if you might want to learn UI, I've got this channel, Coded UI, where I teach people awesome user interfaces using Figma. Some of these applications I have coded here at Coded Design. We've got a course at Udemy. You can search Matthew Msingati on Udemy. You are going to see this React Next.js with ShadCN full course. This is our course. It has got a lot of content for free. If you might want to contact me, guys, you can come here and click this discovery call. It's a free one-on-one call. You can ask me whatever that you want with React and Next.js and also design patterns. Okay, so please, guys, if you can come here and support me. Okay, so let's continue. So what we want to check now, which schema is going to validate. Let's just click here. Now it's a invalid email. Remember, with the email we didn't put any message, right? Okay, as you can see, guys, Zod validated. Okay, let's put a proper email. Okay, Zod validated. Okay, so let's just quickly go to the email thing and put a message there. Let's see, where is the email? Looks like I'm getting old. Okay, here is it, guys. Okay, let's just type Zod email validation. Okay, and that's it. Let's go back and check Zod email validation, as you can see, guys. Okay, so I hope you are learning. If you do, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep it going and keep it flowing like water. Okay, cool. So Now, what we want to do, the reason why I decided to take Zod over Yep, it's one of these reasons, okay? With Zod, we can get rid of this form shape, okay? Let me just copy the variable, okay? We can get rid of this, okay? Let me comment things that I'm not using. I'm not using Yep schema. Okay, so let me just put it right under Zod, okay? My apologies about that. So with Zod, what we can do, we can create a type with the same name, and it's equal to, I think it's Zod dot infer, okay? As you can see, dot infer, okay? This is TypeScript inference kind of a thing, and then we want to infer a type of this one. This is Zod schema. Okay, please go and learn TypeScript. I know it's difficult, but once you get the hang of it, your life will be better. Your life will improve, believe me. Okay, I could not have known these things and understand what's going on here if I didn't improve my TypeScript skills. Let me see. There is a guy that is a TypeScript wizard. I think he also worked at Vercel. Okay, Matt Pocock. Okay. Well, this guy is a great teacher. I think he's a TypeScript god, I can say. So if you might go to his channel, as you can see, I have subscribed. This guy does a lot of things TypeScript. I think this guy, he even fixed TypeScript. Okay, he's got his own TypeScript thing. I'm not in that level to understand that, but believe me, in terms of explanation, okay, he's top notch. Okay, he's passionate about what he does, and as you can see, he uses his hands a lot. I think I got from him TypeScript what's the thing, generics. Okay, I think TypeScript generics and mapped types. Okay, I watched one of his videos, okay, and I was like, now I get it. So TypeScript is very important, guys. Okay, so enough about that. This is one of the guys that I'm looking up to, hoping that one day I will maybe be like him. I don't know. Okay, but if I do what I'm good at and be authentic and stick to what I know the best, I think I might be in his level. Okay, authenticity is very important to stick to who you are. Okay, now go back to here. Enough about that small Matthew's motivation. Okay, okay, cool, guys. So as you can see, guys, we have managed to validate and we have got rid of this inconsistent type that was here, form type, where sometimes I put a capital letter S in string. My mistake, and I apologize about that. Okay, so now we take this shape. Check here, this is the exact shape. Okay, I think this is more consistency. Okay, guys, that's about it for me. Matthew, if you might want the source code when I'm done with the series, is going to be available. Check the link in the description below and subscribe to my Substack. Okay, when I'm done with the series, obviously I will push it to my what can I say, to my email list, and you will receive a notification saying that the React hook form series or YouTube series source code is available. So you might as well subscribe to the Substack so that you can get all other source codes from Coded Design. I'm Matthew Msingati. I am the designer and I'm a developer. I hope you are learning something. If you've learned something, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's keep it going and keep it flowing like water. See you on the next one.